Hi, today I'm for the NOKIA G42 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on a split. Shut up. Hi, today I'm for the NOKIA G42 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So now we could see that the Google Discovery is activated. If you wanna just turn it off, just hold for a while home screen with your finger and tap the home settings. To turn off Google app option, click on the switcher near Show Google App. Now this option is turned off. If you want to turn it on by the same way, go to the home settings, tap the Show Google App switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.